Hi, welcome to Study Bulletin. Today I am going to discuss 5 best AdSense supported theme. In the end, I'll show you which theme I use to get AdSense approval. If you do not use a theme which is supported by AdSense, you won't be getting AdSense approval. It will show you templated pages error while you apply for AdSense approval. So it becomes very important to choose a right theme for your website while applying for AdSense application. So let's start. So as you can see, this is one of my favorite themes which I use in my WordPress websites. The name of this theme is MH Magazine. As you can see, this is a paid theme. If you want to use a free theme, you can directly use it from WordPress website in the sections of theme. There you will see a theme called MH Magazine Lite. That particular theme you can use in your WordPress website and it's absolutely free. So here we'll see that this MH Magazine which is supported by WordPress, this is very AdSense friendly. As you can see, it has a special banner which supports header advertisement. So if you have a Google AdSense, so you can place your code in the header advertisement. Also you will get a lot of widgets in your sidebar where you can use your AdSense code to view your AdSense ads. So as you can see, this is a demo for MH Magazine. Okay, so as you can see, this is a very responsive theme which you can use in your WordPress website. The theme is very light and it also supports all kinds of ads. As you can see, so applying this theme for AdSense will surely get you approved. So as you can see, there is a footer section where you can mention about us, theme information, recent articles, recent comments. Also there in the footer section you can apply or give some important links that you want your users to see. So this theme is very responsive. You can see it in a tablet format. If you want to see in a horizontal or vertical format, this is a mobile device view, and this is a again mobile device view but in a horizontal format. So you can use this theme to get AdSense approval very fast. Another theme, this is called Jana Newspaper Magazine News Buddy Press AMP. So this theme is by default AMP enabled. So we'll check how does it appear when we preview it in live. So as you can see, this is the theme, Jana theme demos. There are many themes inside this particular theme, forest theme. So according to your wish, you can use this theme on your WordPress websites. Let me tell you, all these themes are AdSense friendly. So if you want to apply for your AdSense application, you can use this theme in advance so that to make sure you get your AdSense approval fast. So as you can see, there are numerous themes available. You can download it from Theme Forest website. So our third theme is the Fox Minimal WordPress Blog Magazine theme. So as you can see, it is showing compatible with WordPress 5.6. You can also use WooCommerce, Elementor and WPML. This theme is also very AdSense responsive. So if you want to apply for AdSense application, you can use this theme. So let's see how does it appear in live. So here you can see again there are numerous themes, so you can buy these themes from Theme Forest website. Also if you want to check a free version, you can also download it from the WordPress website in the under the theme section. So these themes are very responsive and it will help you get AdSense approval very fast. Our fourth theme is Goliath Ads Optimized News and Review Magazine. As you can see what it is saying, it is a fully responsive WordPress news and reviews magazine theme that looks and works great on mobile devices. So especially if you want to rank your website on mobile devices, so this theme can help you a lot. So as you can see, it will look great on mobile devices, tablets and computers. So using this theme for your AdSense ads, it's very helpful. Also it will help you optimize your earning and revenue from AdSense. The paid version is $59. Also, you can download the free version from WordPress website. Again, this theme is called newspaper theme. It is the #1 selling news theme of all time. So a lot of people use this newspaper theme, which is also a very responsive theme if you want to use it for AdSense application. Newspaper is a WordPress theme that lets you write articles and blog posts with ease. So this theme will help you write articles and blog posts very easily. It has a great view, it has a template of newspaper, and it is also the best seller theme for perfect blogging and excellent for a news and newspaper magazine publishing and review site. So you can use this theme for all the below options. If you have a website which is related to newspaper, magazine or publishing or even a review site, then you can use this theme on your website. So let's check our next theme. This is my personal favorite theme. This is called Newsmag. Okay, so as you can see, this theme is called Newsmag. I have used the free version of this, so I downloaded it from WordPress website, as you can see. So let me tell you, I use this particular theme for getting AdSense approval. If you do not use a proper theme which is supported by AdSense, you will get templated pages error in your AdSense approval while you are applying for AdSense. So it is better you choose a perfect theme that helps you get AdSense approval fast. So my personal favorite is Newsmag. I often use this theme to get AdSense approval fast. So this theme is very easy, it is very light, and this is very sorted. So here you can apply your AdSense code. So in the header section, your ads will be displaying. In the right section of the website, you can add widgets. Here also you can add your AdSense codes. So you can so this website has a lot of places where you can place your AdSense codes, so in short, this theme is very supportive by AdSense. You can also see the footer section is very good. So here you can add your AdSense code to display your AdSense ads. This theme is very friendly, light, and also very responsive. It is very responsive in mobile devices also. So you can use this theme to get AdSense approval. I hope you like this video. So please share and subscribe this video. Also follow us on all our social media handles. Thank you and stay tuned, because in next video something big is coming. Thank you and watch again.